Ross Gillespie, EC2325720, Level 6 Cyber Networking Tutorial 10. Instructions. Configure IP address, set up wireless configuration, verify connectivity. Router 1. Configure device name according to address table. Enable configure terminal host name R1. Ta-da. Configure IP address on G0/0/1 according to address table and enable. Interface G0/0/1 IP address 209.165.201.1. And that is invalid. Why are you invalid? IP space address 209.165.201.1. Incomplete command. Okay. Oh, I need to set this subnet mask. IP address 209.165.201.1 255.255.255.224. No shut down. Change to up. Exit. Right memory. Exit. Right memory. There we go. Create a banner that warns people in banner. Right, so configure terminal. Banner LTD. Use the hashes because that actually works. Warning. Unauthorized, spelled the American way, access is prohibited. Okay. And right memory again. Right memory. Okay. Exit. Right memory. There we go. Assign Cisco as the console password and enable login. Okay. So configure terminal. Line console 0. Password CISCO and enable login. Login. Exit. memory, exit again, write memory. Assign classes the encrypted privilege exec mode password. Okay. Configure terminal. Enable secret class. Exit. Write memory. There we go. Encrypt all plain text passwords. Configure terminal. Service password. No, I've touched my screen. I don't want to do that. Password /encryption spelled correctly. Invalid. Okay, service password encryption invalid. Okay, come back to that. Exit. We are out. Okay. Configure SSH on R1. Set the name to networking. Okay. Passwords. CISCO. Enable. Password class. And we are in. Right. Configure terminal. IP domain name networking.pka. Networking.pka. Okay, I like that. Generate a 1024-bit ISA key. I need to write this to memory. Write memory. Not like that. Exit. Write memory. There we go. Right. Configure terminal. Crypto key generate RSA. What you lost. Invalid. Why are you invalid? Crypto key generate RSA. Here we go. 1024. Thank you. It's generated that. Right. Memory. No. Exit. Right. Memory. Right. Configure Create a user with username admin with a secret password Cisco123. Okay. We've done the configure terminal. User name admin secret Cisco123. There we go. Exit. Right. Memory. Configure the VTY lines for SSH. Okay. Configure terminal line VTY 015. Okay. Transport input SSH. Login local. Exit. Right memory. This is not going to work, is it? Nope. Exit. Right memory. Done. Use the local user profiles for authentication. Okay. Come back to that. Switch S1. Configure the nice name according to the table. Enable. Configure terminal. Host name capital S1. And configure the IP address of the switch on SV interface VLAN space 1. Invalid input, okay. Interface VLAN 1 without a space. And we're in. Okay, IP space address 209.165.201.2 space 255.55.255.224. And I want to save that, so exit, right memory. Done. Server. Configure the IP address of the server according to the addressing table. Okay. Server. Desktop IP configuration. It's going to be static. So the server's IP is 209.165.201.30. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.224. The default gateway is 209.165.201.1. Right, so that should be okay now. What's that? Wireless return home. Enter the home. We are in the home. From the web browser on the PC, configure the following. Okay, PC, desktop, browser. Right. Initial wireless router address. Okay. 192.168.1.1. Admin. Admin. And we are in. Right, let's just make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So SSID for 2.6. So change that to my home. Security mode for this. Going to wireless security. There we go. And it's WPA2 personal. AES. And the password is 123 capital C ISCO. And we just go down to the bottom and save the settings while we're there. So I click on this just to make sure. Yeah, I didn't save the SSID because I'm an idiot. Right. Let's save that setting now. Okay. And fives are off. That's fine. So I want to change the DHCP. Right, DHCP IP address is now 192.168.20.1. Okay. Starting IP address. That is. Let's just go ahead and save that. Right, it's easier if I change that to 101. Right, click off of that and yes, because we're in a different website now. Not a surprise. 20.1 turn and the slowest simulated web browser in the universe. Let me in, please. We've got admin. I'm just going to change this to 101 because that's what the instructions tell me to do. Save settings. That's now saved. Maximum number is 100, so I'll change that, 100, and we save that. DNS1, okay, so it's currently blank, 209, and I've timed out again. Why have I timed out again? This is quite annoying. Let me in, please. Come on, let me in. Right, we are back in. That's 100. DNS 209.165.201.30. Gotta touch that. Right, so save this. Just gonna double check that. That's correct. This is correct. We're timed out again. You know what? I'm just gonna close this. Bye bye. Right. Configure the wireless settings so the end devices can access server.pka. SSID, my home, PA personal, yep. Configure wireless configuration, yeah. Right. PDA. Figure. Wireless, I'm going to change this to my home. We do 1, 2, 3, Cisco. IP address. That's excellent. Which means that I should be able to ping that in a minute. Right, tablets. Configure. We're not configuring, yes, we are configuring. We're going to wireless. Change the SSID. My home. PSK passphrase. 1, 2, 3, capital Cisco. And we have an IP address. And we have an IP address. Excellent. So I'll go ahead and close that for just now. Laptop. Okay, so we go to desktop and we go to PC wireless. To connect to the router. If it comes up, we've got my home. Connect. Passphrase 1, 2, 3. Capital Cisco. Connect. Link information. Yes, it's only connected to access port. Excellent. Right. IP configuration. We have an IP address. Excellent. This is exactly what we want to see. Right. PC. Are you connected? You have an IP 100 address. Okay, I think I might have to change you. Requesting IP address. Yes, we have a new IP address. Excellent. Configure. Yes, this is all correct. That's Ethernet. And yes, you're all correct as well. Excellent. Close that. Right, so you're all connected to the router. Verify connection. Verify that IP addresses are correct. Networks at the end should be 20.0.24 network. Right, so IP. Verify that all individuals can access server PKA. Okay. So web browser. And I'm just going to apparently crash the system. Right. Let's go ahead and copy this. Web browser copy. So can the tablet reach Cisco? Being this is the slowest website in the world, probably. Suspense is killing me. Come on. And it was there and it went away again. Why did it go away again? Ah, there it is. Excellent. So the tablet is there. PDA. And the PDA is there. Laptop. Laptop is there. And the PC. And the PC is there as well. Excellent. They are all connected. Right, so verify that all end devices can access R1 via SSH with password Cisco. Okay, so PC command prompt. I'll just copy this little thing down here. Copy, paste, return. Invalid command. Paste. Invalid command. Okay, why is this happening? Why is that? Password CISCO. Login about CLASS. CISCO. Connection closed by foreign host. Okay. Password. Helps if you type in the right password. 1, 2, 3. Warning, unauthorized access is prohibited. Excellent. Right, so we managed to SSH into that. So we've done most of this. I need to do service password encryption and the port status of S1. Oh, I did do a no shutdown on S1. Okay. Let's see, S1. So, enable configure terminal interface VLAN 1. I think it's VLAN 1. Let me just double check. Why are you being silly? Right. Yeah, S1 is VLAN 1. Okay. If I just type in no shutdown, change status to up. Excellent. Exit. Exit. Right memory. Okay, right, I can close this. We're now at 97%. Check results. So I need to do service password encryption on R1. Okay. So R1 password CISCO. Yes, enable password class and configure terminal and service password hyphen encryption. Yes, all right. And okay, exit, exit, and that is it. Okay, let's just do a quick check results here. Congratulations on completing this activity. Whoop-de-doo. Connectivity test, overall feedback, yes. Right, so that is good. And I'm going to say that is all presently correct. Well, let's go ahead and save as. Just change the name on this. ROSSGILLESPIE as a PKA file. Okay, saving. And also save as a PKZ into the same folder. Okay, overwrite. Do you want to overwrite? No, I do not. Save as PK. No, that's one button. Save as PKZ. Add files to PKZ. Not really. Alright. No, I'm not going to do that. Right, I'm just going to save it. And one last thing, no one expects the Spanish Inquisition.